Well, this here new song won't take too long, so grab a friend and sing along. Let me tell you about this man. This man, named Dr. Ken Davenport the 12th, has a 100% rating taking care of patients' health.
What?
Yeah, I told you, girl. I heard he's a musician. But when I got out of surgery, I said, "Bro, are you a magician?"
What'd you say?
I said a magician. Guanial, femoral, umbilical, and incisional, it don't matter. Hum, hum, hum goes the hernia splatter. Bedside manner, better than all the rest. Some even say that he's the best.
What'd you say?
So keep making them incisions with precision, sealing things up with stitches like Dr. Seuss and his Starbelly Sneetches.
What'd you say?
I said Starbelly Sneetches. I must confess that Davenport is cool, but I'd say number one on my list was your anesthesiologist. Drifting through the halls, hitting buttons on the elevator going,
beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, girlie, beep, beep, beep. Riding cholo, singing me songs and putting me to sleep. Gadsden Regional Medical Center is always kind and caring. There's no way for comparing. Ken Davenport focused and ready, keeping his hands real steady, stitching up sutures with a hook and some string. When he walks down the hall, they call him the king. So I need to finish this rhyme my wife and I made for you. But I must declare now I know where to go for the best hernia repair.